Hello, this is Louise Dean, founder of the Novelry, the world's best-loved school for writers, with more 5-star reviews than any other and a whole bunch of published success stories. As an award-winning Booker-listed author, I founded the Novelry to help writers avoid the frustrations of writing solo for years by getting wise eyes on the most important element of writing right from the get-go. Story, story, story. We bring best-selling authors and publishing editors from the big 5 publishers like Penguin Random House to help you write in the right direction to achieve your writing dreams. If you're just starting out, we can help you avoid a few pitfalls. And if you're an old hand, you'll find a brave new world of writing here with our radical but practical approach to getting that novel done. All writers learn from other writers, even the greats. Write your novel in good company. Join us at the Novelry. We'll show you how to start, coax your story into shape, cheer you on to type the end.